Okay, so day 2 of testing. The first thing I've done is move the battery from the front to the middle here because the battery, actually the main battery, weighs a lot and it was really pushing down on that front tire. So I moved it to the middle and that seems to help a little bit. This was our original battery. This is our 12 volt, and I also added this little lantern battery. This is 6 volts. I know they're not the same amp hour rating, so this one will drain much faster than this one will, and it's probably not the best setup right now, but for testing it'll work. And they're just hooked up in series, so we get it's running at about 19 volts, somewhere around there. The other thing I did was to see if maybe friction was causing some of it. I put WD-40 on our axle here. The axle doesn't actually turn, it's the wheels spin around it, so I thought that might help. And I also installed this connection. Before, what I was having to do is every time I wanted to take all the stuff inside, since there's sensitive electronics in here, and it's Florida and it's like 100 degrees outside every day, and I didn't want to just leave them out here. So instead of having to untwist the motor cables each time, I just got these little Molex connectors from a computer power supply. So all I have to do is just pull them apart, and these are my 4 motor wires, so that makes things a lot easier. Right now, the other thing I've done is this laptop and that laptop are connected with an ad hoc network. This is the one that's running Linux, and that guy is running Vista. So this thing is actually hosting the network, and then this is connecting to it. And so that means that while I won't have internet, which means I can't use Skype to use cameras, it does mean that I don't need an access point with internet on it to drive this thing. So as long as this laptop is in the bubble of this laptop, then I can still control it. So I'm still trying to figure out how I can get a camera feed going with this, but for right now I'm just going to be playing with it on an ad hoc network.